Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to add layers in Pixlr. So first, go to pixlr.com and select Pixlr Editor. Now click on Create New and select one of these options. Let's select this one. Then click on Create. You can also change the name of your picture, the width and the height, and you can add a background if you want to. Now click on Create. And here, click on this plus icon and select the type of layer you want to add. You can select empty to add an empty layer. You can select image and select a picture layer from your computer. Then click on open. You can also add a frame. You can here change the shape and the style. Let's click on the plus icon again. You can add a text layer. Just click on it and here you can add your text, change the font, the fill, the size, and anything you want. Now let's click again on the plus icon and you can also add a shape layer. Just click on shape and here you can change the shape, or you can add a custom shape. Change the fill, the styles, it's the size, and yeah, after finishing and once you're done with your picture, just click on this icon here or go to file and select save to save your picture. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.